All right, guys, so when you're at these job sites checking them, you want to make sure we got a ladder out here. It's wide enough for the air conditioner. That 25 inches fit on the other houses. Want to make sure we have all our exterior doors. We want to make sure that we have sufficient posts out here for support. Like this out here, that got skipped. This one's a tornado rebuild with a new porch. So we've got to install post and concrete. You want to make sure that what you've been talking about with your framer and what the framer's actually doing are the same things. You want to check your, just your general overview. Watch your head out here, wear a hard hat. You want to make sure your doors, your windows, you want to look at them, see if they're square, 90 degrees in each of the corners. You want to make sure your openings are big enough as you're walking through here. I think we've already gone over that a few times. You want to look at all your exterior doors. You want to check your dumpster. You want to look at the lumber laying around. You'll ask if we've got enough materials so that way we can have a head start if we need more materials. If anything needs to change, this is a very easy time to find it. So if anything needs to change, and that's you're just looking around. You want to notice we got a 10-foot ceiling there, and then we got a 9-foot ceiling there. So you just want to take note and be very observant. I think of Curious George during these job site inspections. So we want to look at the job site, make sure we can keep it as clean and as safe as we can. Check that there's no beer cans on there on the job sites. Check that they have their 4-inch flashing tape that goes around the windows. Make sure they got plenty of radiant barrier that goes up on the roofs. Make sure they're good on their nails. They don't their nails, their tarps. Make sure we got everything we need. The OSB board, it's OSB board, and it's just wood chips that are glued together. The radiant barrier goes on the roof. The regular ones go on the top. You want to make sure that the studs are straight, the walls are very straight. You want to check the thicknesses like you should have done during the inventory check. Make sure this moisture barrier is installed, correctly with the words the right side up like they're supposed to be. Make sure your LVL board, make sure that part is going down into the garage so we have a flat attic access. That's going to create a tripping hazard up there. We have had to move that before. It takes about, probably takes 12 hours to move those. You want to look at your joists to make sure they have sufficient supports, hangers. The garage door, you want to make sure it's got all the supports it needs.